Welcome to Saliqa. Subscribe for more tutorial. I am your swing instructor Sarah here. I have 9+ years of teaching experience and 3 years of diploma in these skills. If you are first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. Today's tutorial about this butterfly sleeve. First I will show you how you can make a pattern, then we will start cutting fabric. So let me explain the pattern part. Here I need a two-fold fabric that should be 16 inches in lengthwise and widthwise, and if you are working with centimeter, you can convert this in centimeter, and this should be in two-fold. So because for 2 sleeves we need, so after that you have to fold it again, and now it become in the 4 folds, and then you start marking your sleeve, and this should be 8 inches here this way and 8 inches here. All the way we will mark here the 8 inches. This is something similar as we did in our umbrella cutting or full circle cutting. If you missed that, you can check my video. See, that's how we will get then a circle, and I will explain you when we will start the cutting of fabric part. So here we need 2.5 this way, and after that we will make here a small circle. How we get this 2.5? Actually we put a formula here. You can apply the formula. If you are good in math, you can easily get that you have to put your armhole in this formula, and with 2 pi, that is the area of your circle. So that's how you have to measure your armhole. So for my dummy here I get the 15 inches. So this is in round 15 inches. So I get here the 2.5 inches after putting this formula. You can check in Google how to calculate this circle, and see, that's how I get for my this 15 inches circle. And now I'm folding my fabric. So cutting the fabric, I need 16 by 16 inches of fabric. So see, this way 16, and the other way also I need 16, and after that I will fold it in 4 folds. So let me show you how you can fold. So I'm just marking the straight lines for cutting my 16 inches rectangle piece, and because the edges are not smooth. And please guys, hit the like button. It will really help me to make more videos. And now I'm going to fold it in 4 folds. This is very easy, even beginners can make easily, but the look is very beautiful after finish. See, that's how you have to fold. Now we will start marking our this 8 inches here. You can see here I'm just marking here 8, and after that again 8 inches and again 8 inches, because here we want a round shape. So after cutting, you can see I will get a perfect circle. So see, after this 8 inches, just cut this part and you will get a perfect circle shape, and then we will start marking our armhole part. And if any question, any doubt, you can ask me in comment. I will explain again, no problem. See, that's how it is a circle. So let me open this circle, and then we start marking our armhole. You can mark the center and sides if you want at this point. And now just open this full circle, and actually we need first to mark the center of this circle. So let me trace the center by, you can press it at this part to make the crease the perfect center, but I'm just marking here with my guess that this is the center of the circle, and just mark here a line. See, and that's how you can fold and make here a press crease, but otherwise I'm doing just by a guess, but always it's better to measure your fabric correctly to avoid any mistakes. So that's how I just mark my center, and after that center I need 2.5 that I just got with my formula. So 2.5 upside. Let me clear the line so you can see clearly, and see here I need 2.5, and now this is my center of my other circle, that will be my armhole. So after 2.5 I'm taking 2.5 up from this point and 2.5 on all the sides. So let me mark with the blue chalk. So now 2.5 is this way. So now the left side also 2.5, then right also 2.5, up and down 2.5. So you get 4 points. So these are actually helping point to make a circle here. So you can mark circle freehand, or you can use any thing. See, you can put any circle. This is small, but let me try. See, this dummy have a perfect circle here, so I'm just using this as a scale. So after making here a circle, sorry guys for interruption, so I'm just marking here a round shape with the help of this dummy circle. You can do it by freehand if you want to do, and here just I'm marking it with a black marker so you guys can see clearly. So now just fold it in 4 fold, and then cut this small circle, and after cutting this small circle we will join this with our sleeve. So this is very easy but very beautiful design. See, that's how you will get a perfect round here again. See, a perfect round, and this is actually your armhole that you will join with your so you can join with your dress. And now see, this is the result. Now we will start joining. Let me explain you again. That's how we take the 16 inches and then we fold it in 4 folds, and after that we make here a circle same as we did in our see, don't forget to subscribe the Saliqa mag. So let me try it on the dummy. See here, I just pin up. Let me show you here. You can see the result is very beautiful, and that's how that small circle will attach with your armhole. So guys, please press a thumbs up. It will really help me to make more videos. I will make more sleeve designs. If any design you want to learn, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.